Welcome to Siddhartha High School YouTube channel. Like our video and subscribe to our channel.
Hi guys, myself I am Yashas. I am from Segregator Competition PU College, High School Section BH Road Tumkur. This is my small prototype module called AWS, Automatic Waste Segregator. The components are: this is IR sensor, this is metal proximity sensor, this is servo motor, this is raindrop sensor, this is the controller of the raindrop sensor, and here is also I use it servo motor, and here this is the main of this model, Arduino Uno, and this is switch. This is Wi-Fi module, and this is regulator. Here I used 3 ultrasonic sensors here, and some of the jumpers. The main problem in our community is in Tumkur also so many garbage bins are full of waste. There is no place to dump. Now Tumkur city is also selected for the small city. So municipality of Tumkur ordered to clean the city. So our model is very useful to the municipality to segregate the waste easily. One of the main concerns with our environment has been waste segregation. The segregation and monitoring of waste is one of the primary problems of the present era. The traditional way of manually segregating and monitoring the wastes in waste bins is a complex process and utilizes more human effort, time and cost, which are not compatible with the present day technologies in any way. Right. In our project also, we are using Arduino Uno as the main controller. Here we are using metal sensor. It detects the metal items in the waste. Raindrop sensor is used to detect the wet waste content, and doors are attached to the stepper motor to open and close the dustbin door. In this project, we are also monitoring the waste contents in the dustbin through ultrasound. In our project, we are using Arduino Uno as the main controller. Here we are using metal sensor which detects the metal items in the waste. Raindrop sensor is also used to detect the wet waste content, and doors are attached to the stepper motor to open and close the dustbin mouth. In this project, we are also monitoring the waste contents in the dustbin through ultrasonic sensor and send the corresponding data to the Wi-Fi module ESP8266. Which then sends to Android phone, where user can monitor the content of the dustbin through the phone, like how much the dustbin are filled. Then objective of our project is to separate wet waste, separate dry waste and separate metal waste, establishing the connection between the Wi-Fi module and the ThinkSpeak application, and to monitoring the content of each dustbin through users Android phone separately. This prototype is made up of wood. The structure of model is designed in a slope manner. Initially, IR sensor is placed at the beginning itself in order to observe the waste is present or not. If waste is present, it detects and waste sent to metal section. Here we are using metal detector sensor in order to detect metal. If it detects the door opens, the doors are attached to the stepper motor, then waste enters into metal waste bin. If not, the door moves anti-clockwise direction and sends the waste to wet waste section. Here we are using raindrop sensor in order to detect the waste content in the waste. If it sends the waste to wet waste bin, else to dry waste bin directly. In this project, for monitoring the dustbin, we are using ultrasonic sensor which gives amount of waste in each dustbin and sends the corresponding data to Wi-Fi module, and then Wi-Fi module sends the data to ThinkSpeak application, which is in user's Android phone, where user can monitor the waste content in each bin. Limitation is the multiple waste items cannot be segregated. The working of the model is: this is the dry cell. See, IR sensor detects this and it comes to metal section. It is a metal waste, so metal detector sends it to the metal bin. Then it is a plastic pen cap. This is not a metal waste or a wet waste, so it sends to a dry waste. This is a cloth where I dip this in the water. You can see here it is detected, and then it is sent to the wet waste bin. You can see the programming here. This programming is in the C language, where we did this in the Arduino app. The conclusion is the automatic Yashas segregator can able to do the following things. It can monitor the content of the each display through the ThinkSpeak app, and it can separate the wet, dry and metal waste automatically. Thank you.